The historic bill may have passed, but the healthcare fight is far from over. In fact, a new front has just opened up. Democrats versus CEOs. We're going to Washington right now, and Lizzie O'Leary, who has more. Lizzie, good morning.
Hey, Eric. Congressional Democrats in the White House are not buying the argument some CEOs are making that healthcare reform is going to cost them millions. So they've summoned them here to a hearing next month, essentially saying, prove it. What you've seen from companies is a lot of stories about how they're going to have to book extra costs. I want to walk you through some of the costs that we've seen. AT&T saying the new bill will cost it $1 billion. Deere saying its costs will be $150 million. For other companies, Caterpillar, $100 million. 3M, $90 million. AK Steel saying $31 million. And Valero, $20 million. AT&T, of course, got special treatment from a tax-free benefit from the government to subsidize health care costs for their retirees. They're not going to get that anymore under the new plan. Valerie Jarrett, the senior White House advisor, said, look, the long-term costs are going to be better for the companies after they take these short-term hits.
What they are going to have to write off is nothing compared to the enormous financial benefits to those very same companies by health insurance reform. It will bring down their costs substantially.
So the chair of this committee says claims from the CEOs conflict with independent analysis. He'd like them to prove it next month. And this does give an opening, remember, initially for the GOP to talk about how this is going to front load costs onto companies. Remember, though, there are big changes in terms of how this bill goes into effect when some of the costs hit and when some of the benefits hit. It all goes in a different time frame.